Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about printing an email and just some of the options you have when doing that. So this email right here, let's say I want to print it. All I have to do is go up and click on File, go down to Print, and when I click on Print, what you would typically see is if you have a printer set up, you can see it right here. However, if I click on this drop down, you'll see I have some options here. One of the options is you can print it as a PDF file. And a PDF file, instead of printing it out, is just a file you could save. So say this email was really important and you wanted to keep it. Well, I'm going to choose that print as a PDF. Now it comes up when I click print. Instead of actually physically printing, I'm going to be given the option of saving this document someplace. So I might just call it Outlook PDF test. And now that I've done that, I can choose where I want to save it. And typically I would save it in the Documents folder, and I'm going to click Save. So now instead of physically printing out on a printer, you've saved it as a file with a name that you'd be able to go look for it and search for it. And I think that could be good if you have important emails that maybe you put in the important folder, and again, that's one of the folders I recommend, or you just want to create a document that you could have for future reference. Okay, my friends, my name is Tony Holowitz. That's one way you can print. Have a great one. Bye now.